After that step right there, it's consensual. What you doing there? What you doing?
If you want the real pressure.
That's about it.
I'm kind of in a spot where I want to check all of them now. I don't think. Might give me some light.
I'm gonna go grab you a light.
Yeah, you're good. Oh, should have read my phone. Here's 54.
Thursday's snap-on day. And you know what they say? After that step right there, it's consensual. What you doing there?
I'm putting a wire harness on this prelude so we can get this thing fired up here soon. Messing around with it. Getting ready to go ahead and tear some blocks down. And pull the cranks out of it and stuff. It's my lucky nut. Oh, really just putting this wire harness in right now. Getting ready to take a break here in a minute. I got most of everything I can plug in right now.
It's gonna be coming apart shortly.
Yeah, boy.
And that'll be 3.
I forgot what I was doing. You ever do that?
Yep.
Oh, I know you do. I don't know why I asked. I mean, so to put it as plainly as possible, every set of springs has installed height information, and it's X seat pressure and X installed height. So what we want to do is we want to run it at that installed height, or we can actually run more installed height. Or, sorry, less installed height makes the pressure higher. So like if you were running a set of springs that are, like in the Honda world, that are 80 at X installed height, if you made the installed height number lower, then you're increasing the spring rate. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So checking this is very important so that you can have your, so let's say on these springs right here, the installed height at 1.800 is, let's see, makes the pressure 250. So that means that if you were to make the installed height 1.9, you actually lose spring rate. So the valves will float easier, etc., etc. Make sense? That is a bad thing. And if you go tighter on the installed height, you end up like, so let's say you drop to 1.75 or even lower than that, you end up with more pressure on the seat. And with more pressure on the seat, you virtually have a stiffer spring, and that's fine until you get to the point where you have coil bind. I bet that fart could be heard on camera.
If it is, it's making an infinite first
Aaron
15
just
seconds.
pooed. Aaron just pooed. Definitely just pooed himself. I told you how common it is. Us old men. I mean, if you poop yourself, guys, put it in the comments. We want to know. How many times have you pooped yourself? How many times have you pooped yourself? Has it ever been when you're cranking on a valve spring? I did not poop myself. Aaron sounds like he might have. Interact with us and put it in the comments. You can't move. You're not allowed to move. You're literally making it harder. Just put your weight on it, dipstick. Like, I don't know why you're struggling. Stop struggling so much. Just put your weight on it. You don't got to make it harder than it is. Oh, doo-be-doo-be-doo. Yep.
Quarter to half.
I don't know. Go look.
I know you have it, but I didn't know you had it.
I don't have it. I don't know where it's at. If that's what you mean. All right, there we go. Oh yeah. I had to set the lifters on top of the motor so I would not forget them. So I wouldn't like accidentally put the head on without putting lifters in. Also, comment if you've done something like that. Imagine putting the tranny on without a clutch, or a throw-out bearing or a shift or the clutch fork, or putting heads on, forgetting the lifters, etc., etc. Put that in the comments too.
Without putting the torque converter on it.
Yeah.
$10. I'm talking about you.
I have actually done that once. I have in fact done that one time. So this head's ready to go on.